not applicable only for the girl child. It is neutral law. It means if there is any boy, girl or transgender suffering from sexual offences against them, then POXO Act will applicable on them. Section 2D definition of child, where child means any person below the age of 18 years. Any person below the age of 18 years. There is no defined a boy or girl. Mark my words, there is no any other differences between boy or a girl or even a transgender. Child means any person below the age of 18 years. Where a case law, Krishna versus State of Maharashtra 2022, a 14-year-old boy suffers from sexual assault and accused argues on the basis of the POXO Act that will be not applied on boy, it's only for girl. जजमेंट आया बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट में कि POXO Act is gender neutral and provides equal protection to both boys and girls where below 18 years. Court punishes the criminal under the POXO Act. Now we will see the sexual offences under POXO Act, where penetrative sexual assault that is defined under Section 3, aggravated penetrative sexual assault that is defined under Section 5, sexual harassment of a child, Section 11, sexual assault, Section 7, use child for pornography purpose, Section 13. इसकी punishment है imprisonment 5 to 7 years plus fine. इंपॉर्टेंट केस लॉ है इस पे, स्टेट वर्सेस मनोज, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट का है 2018, वेयर राइट टू बी हर्ड जस्टिफाइड बाय कोर्ट अंडर पॉक्सो एक्ट 2012, इवन द विक्टिम्स अंडर एज 6 years. इट मीन्स अगर आपका विक्टिम 6 साल से भी कम है या इवन बिलो द मेजोरिटी, देन इट्स विटनेस विल बी जस्टिफाइड बाय द कोर्ट. Now let's discuss about the victim's right under POXO Act, right to privacy and confidentiality and right to child-friendly procedure, right to free legal aid, right to medical assistance, right to compensation and right to protection during trial. Thank you.